So today we're changing the brake pads on my 8J TTRS calipers. Now the first step is taking out these two pins which hold in the retaining clip. So first take out this top one. I'm just using a drill bit and a mallet. And now after you've taken the top one out, you can just take the clip out like that. Now take out the second pin, same procedure. Okay, now before we put our new pads in, or before we even take these out, we just want to bring the pistons in so our new pads going in have enough space to fit in. So me, I just prefer to use my hands. Now I've heard if your calipers aren't seized and they don't need repair, you should be able to do this by hand. I've done this a couple of days ago. Now it will take a little bit of force, but it should work. Okay, I'll just slide our old ones out. Same on this side. Now, these aren't actually old pads, they're just my racing pads. Now your new pads which are going in, you can put some grease on the piston area, the contact areas where the pistons touch and along the slide, but these already had grease as you can see, so I'm just going to put mine straight in. Now you want to ideally use high temperature brake pad grease rather than just copper grease, which I used initially putting these race pads in. So now, once you've got these in, first step is putting the bottom pin through. Now again, get your drill bit. Get it on this side here, and your mallet, just strike it a few times. Now I'm using the side of it like this because it's a bit difficult with the space to use the full length. Now you want to make sure that's gone fully through. I'll just show you, this is how it should look. On this side there should be tiny little bit showing. That's all the way through, just so you have an idea when you're doing this. And the next step is putting the retaining clip back in. So that goes under here like that. And second pin through there. Now, the way this works, as you would have seen before you take this out, is the two pins slide over this retaining clip, holding it in and thus holding the pads in. So you want to just press this down enough for your pin to sort of go through slightly. And once it's just gone through the guide of the of this side of the pad, I'm gonna get my drill bit again, mallet, and just strike it. I'll just do on the bottom one again to check. And there you are. Now I should note, before you drive off, pump the brake pedal a few times all the way down, because this will just bring your pistons in again to contact with your pad. That way you're not going to have no brakes. There you are. Now your pads are changed.